guys, today I'm going to be making an ornament for our craft tree. So what will we be needing? We'll be needing a tape to trace, scissors, a little bead, a pencil, a string of yarn, and you'll need an extra circle. And I used the tape to trace the circle. And this is our extra. Okay, so first we have 2 construction papers. And guys, you're going to be cutting it on the pencil line. So we have 2 construction papers, red and green. And I did the red, so now I'm going to be doing green. And there are more patterns. They could be red, they could be more red, they could be more green. So we decided to add some white. We have 4 white, 9 green, and we have 7 red. So when you're done, you can take each color, you can start folding them.
Wait.
By where it's even, just like a paper card would do. So we're gonna get busy doing that. So same with the rest. You're gonna do the same with white and red. And we are gonna glue it on the circle and get another color. Then you're gonna glue them together like this. So then it would be like this. These 2 have to be attached. So then you're gonna take another color. So then you're gonna keep doing. So then you're gonna Okay guys, so when you're done, you're going to get the 2 ends of the taco and you're going to glue them. So you're going to take the glue and, so you're going to glue it on one side and then you're going to open the taco and glue it together. So then it's a little flappy thing. So when you're when you're done with this flappy little circle,
I need help with this part. So,
ready? Okay, so this is our little bowl now.
thread or string.
And we're gonna put it in the little hole. It can be a little hard.
And then
we're gonna use the string to make the loop of the ornament. And if there's extra, you can just cut it off. Okay, so now okay, so guys, I finished the ornament. I added the bead. I glued this. And that's the end of our video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye! Okay, guys.